guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use Bolt Driver app in Nigeria. So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and install the Bolt Driver app, not the Bolt, this one right here. So once you install, you're going to click on open. So once you open up the app, you're going to say login and register. So you're going to register. So once you click on register, they're going to ask for an email address, so you can impute any email address and also a phone number. So once you impute that, you also click on the city, the state where you are. So once you're done, you're going to click on this and also click as register as a driver. So once you do this, they're going to tell you to choose where they're going to send a verification code to you. So I'm just going to choose WhatsApp. Okay, click on this and select the square with boxes. Click on verify. So now I'll wait for them to actually send me a code on WhatsApp. So let me just check the code, copy and go back, paste it, and they're going to verify it immediately. So you have to wait for the verification to go through. So once you're done, you're going to fill in all this. They'll ask you what vehicle do you have. I'll say a car. You're going to input your first name and also your last name. So once you do this, you put your date of birth. So I'm just going to impute my date of birth, set it, and you're going to impute the gender, and you're going to click on next. So once you click on next, they're going to ask for everything about your vehicle, your license, plate number, your NIN. You also upload your NIN slip, and also a driver's profile photo, and also a profile for a driver license. So once you do this, you click on next, and you just literally fill out all this information, and you go to the next. You still fill in the information about your car, and this is just literally how to use the Bolt Driver app. If you find this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.